Welcome to the Freedom Unchained channel. I got an order here from a judge. It looks like a third grader wrote it out. So I just wanted to go over this document with everybody. I'll put a picture of it up on the screen for you guys to take a look at. You can screenshot it if you want, and we can go through this. Got me a little friend. Alright, I'm trying to do a video, little friend. Can we go away? You really need to land on me here. Hopefully I'm talking clear enough and loud enough. Here we go. Alright. So it's an order. Guess what the order was for? I don't know, but we'll find out. Alright, caption. It's the people of the state that I'm in. And we have me, she put on there. She put a dot before my name. I don't know if that's supposed to, she just doesn't know how to write. A dot before J and a dot after J. I'm not sure who that is. So, I'm pretty sure this is a pre-filled out form. So the whole, unless this is like a order for that specific judge, but she crossed something out, as you can see at the bottom underneath her signature. She crossed out circuit. She just became a judge. I don't know how she's, as you can see at the very top, in the circuit court of blank judicial circuit. So I don't know how she's a judge in a circuit court when she's not a circuit judge, and why she crossed that out, and why she wrote her name like a 30-year-old. And it's not clear, which I believe that's a must in law, is for things to be clear. So who the fuck is that person that wrote this order? No fucking idea. This cause comes before the court on the motion This sweat bee is getting annoying. Landing on my nose. It must want some attention or something. Alright, sorry getting distracted by the sweat bee. Motion of defense. Let me start back over. This cause comes before the court on the motion of the defense for a fitness evaluation to be performed by Dr. So-and-so. The court being fully advised on the premises doth find and order as follows. Alright, so their pre-filled out form completely lies from the beginning. I don't know any defense that would motion the court for a fitness evaluation. Oh, is this my motion? Well, who's the defense for one? It does kind of define Garrett.J. Grubbs as the defense up to the caption, so let's just say that thing, whatever she wrote down there, which is not clear once again, that maybe the defense did bring the motion, so it's against the people of the state of Illinois. Are we trying to find their fitness? That's what I would assume. Number one, that the court has jurisdiction of the parties hereto and the subject matter hereof. I'm pretty sure I asked for proof of jurisdiction, and they never provided any proof of jurisdiction on the record, like they're supposed to in law. That the fitness evaluation should be performed by doctor at the time agreed upon between the parties to determine whether or not the defense is fit to stand trial. Alright, I question, what parties are you talking about? There's like all three parties? That a written report of the doctor's evaluation shall be provided to the court and counsel of the record upon completion. Well, for one, the state never provides any of the council's appearances on the record. I asked for that. Doubt they ever do that. Who's appearing on the record for the? You're just the other problem is they switch around all the fucking time, so you never knew you're fucking who you're like battling with, which I think is unconstitutional. I think they just do all these unconstitutional things, all these unlawful things. I don't know why, because you can completely challenge them all. That the defense is indigent, and that the county of blank shall be ordered to pay such expert a reasonable fee. And then they don't tell you when this needs to be done, but they say that this cause is currently set before. I guess they're talking about this order. That this cause is currently set for November 19th. Scribbled on by some third grader or some 3-year-old. I don't know, I haven't figured out which one it is yet. A 3-year-old or a third grader scribbled on this piece of paper. Judge. Crossed out circuit judge. Can anybody tell me why she did that? If anybody has any ideas about this order, please feel free to share all your thoughts on this. Seems completely vague to me. I can assume a lot of things, and that's probably what I'm going to do. Write an affidavit and assume a bunch of these things they left open for me to assume. I'm assuming I also get paid if I perform on this order. I should assume or make multiple assumptions. This or this. If this is true, then I'm going to do this. But what do you guys do with these things? I'm having a realization the more and more orders that I get. They're all bullshit, and they're all vague, and they're never signed by a man or a woman in a clear manner. You can identify the man or woman that put their mark on this. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it around, leave a comment, tell me what you think about this vague order. And let's get a conversation started. And then come back and let's see what happens. Hopefully, the more and more time I have to make videos, I will do that. Quicker videos like this. Just having a quick conversation. I hope will help everybody to learn through my processes. But hopefully I'll put some more of my processes here and share everything that I have been writing and filing, noticing, understanding, and on my path of figuring out how to make these motherfuckers actually do what is right, follow the law, and do their duties. Because they don't even produce their oaths and their bonds, which then helps us understand their fucking duties. Because who are they bound to? Whose duties do they owe? That's the question. The Bar Association? What's the Bar Association linked to? I really want to understand that. And why are we only allowed one association to manage the attorneys? I think that's a question you should ask yourself. I think I know the answer already. It's because we're not actually working under law. We're working under a private corporation's laws, which is a corporation of the United States, which is a subsidiary or a trust with underneath another trust. So we got to figure out how to bind them to the original trust, which allows you to have natural rights, common law, equity, all the good things that we're looking to execute on this land. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, till next time, I'm going to leave you guys in love and the light of one infinite creator. Peace. Alright, I'm trying to do a video, little friend. Can we go away? You really need to land on me here. I guess I taste good. I feel like I really have a friend here. Zoom in on this guy, little guy. Guess maybe I need more than one hand. Let's see. He's a cute little guy. Annoying though. Alright, go away. He won't go away. He's like flying around right so you can see him. Alright, I'm busy. Alright. Sorry about that.